Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Sublime editor. I'll use this given installer, but you can also search and download the installer on Google. After clicking the installer link, it will open this page. Click Windows to start downloading. Once the downloading is finished, double-click the downloaded file and it will start the setup. Okay. We will stick to the destination, so next. No need to change anything here, so next. Then ready to install, so install. Then completing, so finish. Okay, let's see our Sublime. So this is our Sublime. And that's all. Thank you and hope you learned something.